Best practices, emerging trends, new strategies. When it comes to email marketing, how do you know what you should and shouldn't do? Luckily, it's not that hard, and I'm here to help you make sense of it all. I'm Greg Zakowicz, 18-year email geek and e-commerce expert at Omnisend, and in today's video, I'm going to share with you my top 3 email marketing do's and don'ts. Feeling generous, I'll even throw a bonus one at you. Before we begin, do like and subscribe so you don't miss other amazing e-commerce marketing videos just like this one. Okay, let's start with my 3 email marketing do's. And number 1 is to use automated workflows. And here's why. In 2023, automated emails made up 41% of all email marketing orders and accounted for only 2% of email sends. 41% of sales, 2% of send. The best part, they make money while you sleep. Now that's a dream I like to have. Automated messages are the sales driver for an email marketing program. Because they're automated, they continue to work long after you've set them up. Now there are a few workflows that outperform all others, and those are welcome messages sent to new subscribers, cart abandonment, sent to those who abandon their carts, browse and product abandonment, sent to those online window shoppers, and back in stock messages, sent to those who request to be notified when out-of-stock product comes, you guessed it, back in stock. All in all, these messages generated more than 80% of all automated email orders and had some of the best engagement rates. You can find the performance of these messages in Omnisend's annual stats report, which is also linked in the video description. Now, setting up these automations takes only minutes. Seriously, only minutes. So having them make money for you has never been easier. My second email marketing do is to use social proof and value adds in your messages. Now, social proof adds a level of trust with your brand and products, while value adds provide shoppers with the comfort they need when they're purchasing from you. So let's discuss how to easily add each of these to your messages. For social proof, think product reviews. You can add star ratings to products in your emails, feature testimonials from reviews in your emails, either about specific product or the company itself, and you can add a product section that recommends top-rated products, aka those with 5 stars. To make this even easier, you can do this right inside of Omnisend. Now, when it comes to highlighting value adds in your messages, think about the things that matter to shoppers. These often include things like free and fast shipping, return policies, guarantees, and any sort of available customer service you offer. I would include these in every single one of your emails. You might have a small banner at the top reminding shoppers of your shipping and return policies, and a recovery banner at the end of your email touting each of your value adds. By making these items a part of your email template, you will ensure that each email you send is optimized to increase sales. My third email marketing do is to grow your SMS list. I know, we're talking about email, so why am I over here talking about SMS? Because SMS not only matters, but it matters with respect to your email program. SMS has grown into a full-fledged marketing channel, and brands can easily combine email and SMS marketing efforts with great success, both with one-off messaging and with the automation I spoke of just a moment ago. Now, companies should add a mobile number field to the website pop-up right alongside the email address, but make the mobile number optional, of course. By collecting mobile numbers, brands can add a second opt-in channel to the marketing mix, giving them a cost-effective way to acquire, retain, and retarget customers via their preferred marketing channels. Like email, automations play a big role here. So companies can send SMS inside of any automated email workflow. How great is that? Conversion rates for automated SMS are more than double those of scheduled campaigns. Brands generate a quarter of all SMS orders from those automated workflows. Finally, another important point about your SMS program is when someone unsubscribes from your email program, but they're opted into your SMS program, you still have a direct line to market to them, complete with any previous order history. And that right there is gold. Even though I have many email marketing do's, these were my 3 for today. Use automation, use social proof and value adds to your emails, and grow your SMS list. Now let's shift gears to my 3 email marketing don'ts. These are 3 things you should avoid doing with your email program. Number 1, create a welcome email that only tells your brand story. Welcome emails have one of the highest conversion rates of any message, and it makes sense why. People sign up for an email program because they are most likely interested in making a purchase. The one mistake I see many brands make is setting that first welcome email filled with their brand story and not focusing on generating a sale. Not only do most consumers not care that much about your brand story at this stage in their journey, but large chunks of text are hard to read on mobile devices. Instead, focus the message on guiding a new subscriber toward a purchase. Remember my do about including social proof and value adds in your emails? This is the perfect place to do so. Potential new customers need that reassurance of a good experience that product reviews will help guide them. And most importantly, include a call to action to shop. Now, if you want to include a small snippet about your brand story, include it lower in the email, make it easy to read on mobile, and link it to a page where they can find out more if they want to. My number 2 email marketing don't is buying email lists. Never, ever, ever, let me repeat, ever buy email lists. Now, buying lists will tarnish your brand reputation, destroy your email deliverability, and even cause it to be in violation of privacy laws. These are 3 things you do not want. Now, to successfully grow your list the right way, consider some of these options. Use a website pop-up where you can collect email and SMS. Advertise email-only discounts or incentives, especially during Black Friday, Cyber Monday period, to encourage signups. Run a limited time promotion that links to a landing page, and include a back-in-stock sign-up on out-of-stock product pages. So growing your list the right way would generate better deliverability, better engagement, and more sales. My 3rd email marketing don't is to use large chunks of text in your emails. Now, this is true for several reasons. First, unless it's from a news source, no one opens an email planning to read. They want to shop, they want to see pictures, and they want to be drawn in. So imagine walking into a retail store and seeing paragraphs of text instead of products. How well do you think those products would sell? Probably not very well. Now, second, most people open their emails on their phone. Now, this makes reading large chunks of text even more difficult. Not a good way to sell product. What you should do is use product images, lifestyle images, and social proof in your emails to make them easily scannable and easily digestible. Using text is not a bad thing. If you do use it, just be sure to keep it short and sweet, and you can even include it inside of an image if you want. This applies to just about all the emails you might send. So campaigns, welcome series, cart abandonment, most other automated emails. People want to shop, allow them to easily buy stuff from you. There they are, 3 do's and don'ts of email marketing. But I did promise you one more. Thanks for sticking around. Here it is. Don't think you need to overpay to have a great email marketing program. If you're serious about building a great email marketing program quickly and easily, look for someone like Omnisend. Omnisend has over 100,000 customers and offers all the tools you need to increase your sales, including email and SMS automated workflows, pre-built email and workflow templates, built-in product reviews, and even offers 24/7 live award-winning support for all customers, and all without the exaggerated cost. So do find out more at omnisend.com, which is also linked in the video description. And if you are interested in more e-commerce marketing videos that will increase your sales, check out this one right here. Until next time, happy marketing.